What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Financial Workout. Let me tell you what the Financial Workout is about and why you should consider subscribing. In my opinion, one of the worst mistakes you can make in life is not learn about personal finance. Unfortunately, our schools and parents have not taught us enough about money, even though it's such an important part of our lives. But don't let that be an excuse to not learn about it. The reason I created the Financial Workout was because I saw in college and right after college how little college students and recent graduates know about their finances, even though it's crucial no matter what your profession is. So here we will talk about things you need to know about money and to thrive financially. I'll be posting videos focused on helping you get a little more awesome in handling your finances. We'll talk about budgeting, investing, stocks, credit cards, and anything else that I feel would help you reach your financial goals and master your money to build wealth. So let's lift some money together and subscribe to the Financial Workout if having financial freedom sounds interesting to you.